We talk about how can your contest name uh, on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on context name. Just click on it. And here in this list, you enter your context nickname here. Then you click here on OK. So then it's going to create with you here contest name on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.